Good morning guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is Tuesday, August 28th. If you didn't know, last week Wednesday was my birthday. It was the 22nd of August and it was my birthday. I had a pretty good week. Donnie and Rayan made sure I had a wonderful week. The weekend was fabulous. I had a great time. It was one of the best birthdays I have celebrated in a long while. Imagine now my surprise. I got this phone call from Rayan telling me that he's breaking up with me and all these things. Now you can imagine, girl just celebrate her birthday. It's 12 a.m. Look how late in the night. Look how late. Them are gonna come declare war for my kingdom. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, let me fill you in. Rayan called me. I was half asleep and he called and I was quite, they said why he's calling me this time of the night. No, because usually he doesn't call me if he knows that I'm going to bed. I guess it's going to be a little story time. So he called and I was there wondering why I'm called. And he said, oh, we need to talk. And he sounded so serious, guys, so serious. And he started saying all these words and my brain started working overtime. Because I'm saying, what? we were fine just a few hours ago. What is this? I don't understand. I'm like, what? I thought, but what me miss? So shocked and whatever, I start crying, hang up phone and thing and see my call me back and me don't want him hear me a cry no more. So me not answer the phone and my call back. And then he send me a text about is a prank. Prank, brother. Prank. Yo. Prank. So you know say a war, straight war now. War. A war now, because he has declared war on my kingdom. But me want to tell him this, say he might have win the battle, but he no win the war. Because you see, when me a come good. So comment down below if you're Team Rayan or Team Dehlia. Now if you don't watch it yet, you cannot pick a team. If you're already Team Rayan, especially you ladies, if you have not watched the previous video, I'm going to link it in the description box for you to go and watch it, because you have to watch that one before you make a decision. The man go hard for me. You'll never believe how hard the man go. I was in my bed sleeping. This is after the week after my birthday, you know. You understand? I celebrate my birthday 22nd of August, and this is the 27th, 28th, because it was 12 a.m. so it's the 28th now. And the man go call me and I tell me all these things. I cannot imagine. Come home this morning and give me the lyrics. Him show me the lyrics on the paper that he wrote. Now him have so much time to sit down, look up Usher Let It Burn song. Maybe I'm saying, maybe if he had texted it to me, then I would have seen that it was coming from a song. But one, I was half asleep, right? Two, the way he was saying it, he didn't say it straight. He never say it straight. He kind of missed out some things and he put pauses where they shouldn't be and stuff, and he put pauses where it shouldn't be and thing. So it's like me in my half asleep self and him with his serious sounding voice. And when I watch back the video, you guys, you know, but it's not so much. It's that his whole reaction, his entire reaction to the prank, the way how it sweet him, the way how he's laughing, the way I'm enjoying doing it. When I got up off the bed, I don't know where I was going and I felt so weak. I just had to go back in the bed and I see the phone ringing and I not answer the phone because me no want to hear me a cry, because him don't hear me a cry already. No man not supposed to know me a cry over them. You understand me? Him already don't hear me a cry. Some poor me now, I try to make him call me back to come talk to me, tell me nothing. Me not answer the phone because I am crying. I am there crying, and then Missy texts are coming. So I don't know what he could have possibly wanted to say to me at that point, but being the curious person that I am, he knows that being the curious person that I am, I'm not gonna go without reading the text. So he knew I would have read the text. So no, I just wanted to hear what he had to say, or see what he could possibly have to say to me after all of that. And trust me guys, trust me, if you haven't watched it, before you pick a team, if you haven't watched it, you need to go and watch it first. Do not judge this based on what you already know about Rayan, because if you've been here before, so you know us, and some of you may be partial to Rayan and some may be partial to me. You know, everybody have them fans. The man go hard for me, so me know. So if you should go and watch the video, you'd come over to my side, because him deal with me wicked in the night, you know. I'm on my way to work now. He's home in his bed. Yes, he's home because he worked a split double yesterday, so he went to work in the daytime and then he was back at work in the night. So you know, he's hella tired right now, so he's home. I left him at home in bed, so I'm out on the road. This is where I'm gonna end this clip, and I'll see you in the next clip. Hey guys, so it's lunchtime, so I'm going to get a go light from Island Grill. I'm on a diet now because Rayan is going to enter a new competition in November, so he has started his prep dieting. So you know, say all and sundry have to be on board right now, because it makes it so that much easier on him when at least one more person in the household is on the diet, so you're not suffering it on your, and he's not suffering it on his own. I don't have to, but yeah, that is how I show my support and thing. And the ready when I come down now. I wanted to say yesterday, now I bought a bag of jackfruit. Didn't know reach nowhere in the diet, and I bought a bag of jackfruit yesterday, and I had some, I left some for Nick. Nick never eat off his, and we put it on the table. And when he came home last night, he had a few pieces, like, and then blaming me like, why did you buy this? Really, sir? So you see, I have to be on the same diet with him to help him along. Also guys, I am coming from Nutsford Express, and I got I have a monthly subscription with this company called Ipsy. It's a monthly subscription company that sends cosmetics and makeup and so each month, and the subscription is only $10. I'll leave a link in the description bar. It's really sample size products that they send out. I haven't really looked in the bag yet. I'm gonna do that later when I'm more comfortable and I'm able to try some of these things, if there's anything in here to try. But right for right now, I'm going to buy my lunch and I'll be back soon. So this is what I got, guys. Sweet corn, steamed veggies. I wanted raw veg actually, but I didn't have any, so I took the steamed veg, and chicken breasts. So this is what I'm having for lunch today. So guys, I'm now ready to open my package from Ipsy. I haven't opened it yet, but this is the August bag. It's orange and it's pretty bright yellow. It reminds me of the sunset. So we're gonna see what's in there. The first thing that I come up with is this. Is the card as usual, confidence level, self with no filter. I guess that means that we should have been taking selfies without filter this month. The first item is a Perfect Shine oil mist, and it says it's a light reflecting hair oil mist for instantly smooth wow factor and shine, and it is from Nature Lab. So I'm definitely going to try this when I have my hair done, and see if it leaves my hair trashy or it actually makes it shine, because some of these things make my hair trashy. The next item is from Rad, and it's an exfoliating cleanser. Today is Saturday. Usually on a Sunday I do my exfoliation. I try to exfoliate my skin at least once a week, so I'm going to try this tomorrow. I have also received a mini universal brow pencil. It's from $1 Billion Brows. So universal means that it works on every skin type, I suppose. So this is what the swatch looks like. It is a grayish, it's grayish, kind of pale. I'm also gonna try this as well when my brows aren't done. And then we have the Kaleido Cosmetic Skin Blush. Let me open it for you guys. Let me open open it. The color is kind of pale. It's pale. It's a pale pinkish orangish. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. I think it's a bit light for me. Maybe I could use it as a highlighter. It looks nice as though it could be used as a highlighter. Wow! Yep. Yes, girl. Yep. Yes, I could definitely use this as a highlighter. It's that light. It's too light. It's too light and shiny to be a blush, but it will work perfectly as a highlighter though. Yes. And the final thing. It's the Huda Beauty matte lipstick, and it's in the color I've always wanted, Trophy Wife. Yes, I'm gonna try this right now. I'm gonna put this on right now. I'm gonna swatch it first. Let's see. It has a very pretty plum shade. Yes, that I'm loving. I'm loving the plum shade. The dries to a matte, but I don't like matte. Some really like matte lipsticks on me. I'm really loving this shade on me. I think it's kind of cute. Comment below and tell me what you guys think, especially now that I have put some gloss on it, because I'm a glossy kind of girl. I prefer gloss to matte. And if you'd like, you just go to ipsy.com and get your subscription and do your subscription for your monthly bag. And guys, no, I haven't forgotten what Rayan has done to me. I'm thinking of a prank for Rayan. I'm not able to. It is the hardest thing to do. So please comment below with ideas of how to get him back. I watched the video, you know, it was savage. It was extremely savage. Rayan, I'm going to get you back. You could be on high alert, little more. You are going to get it back. I promise you. That is one promise I'm going to keep, and I'm going to make sure I get it on camera for you guys. So guys, this is where I'm going to end this vlog. I'll see you again in the next one. Until next time, bye.